Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your Spotify to premium or how you can get the premium Spotify. So first, what you need to do is open your Spotify. So today I'm opening it on desktop, and then to upgrade it to premium, just click on upgrade button at the top. Then when you click that, you will be directed to the Spotify account, accounts.spotify.com. And then here you can just choose the packages provided by Spotify to get your premium. Okay, so I'm going to just scroll down, and here there are a few options, individual, duo, and also family. You can just choose which one. Then you can just click on get started. Then after that you can change the country if you want, but if you're not, you can just click on you can just proceed with the payment. So here there are like a few options to choose. For example, you want to pay it by credit or debit card, just click on that, and then after that you can add some payment details and click on buy now. So you need to add your card number, expiry date, and security code, and after that just click on buy now, and your Spotify will be upgraded to premium. Okay, so that's all for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, and also subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.